Good afternoon, guys. Chris Wheeler here, bringing you Prepper Challenge number 3. Now, this challenge, I thought about it for a while and it was going to be more difficult, and I said, no, I'll do that later on. I just want this one to be kind of easy, and for some of you guys, this is going to be super easy. You got a little garden, you keep animals, you hunt, you fish. It'll be really easy for you. For other people, it's going to be much more difficult. So here you go. Challenge is simple. One meal, as complete as possible for your family, that you either hunted, fished. Hunting right now during this season, because I'm doing this in September, and there may be some rodents are in season right now, but not much big games and no birds, I don't think. But you could still fish. You could forage for either wild greens and edibles, or maybe even mushrooms if you know much about mushrooms. And you could also just grow the food. But the idea is that you provide a complete meal that you have collected. Either you have grown it, you foraged for it, you hunted for it, you fished for it. Those are your options. The only way that you can do it. And like I say, I will make it more advanced in another challenge later on, but for this challenge, Prepper Challenge number 3, all you have to do is provide one meal that was wild harvested or grown. You could grow it for yourself, but you had to provide all the nutrients. And I know you could go out and catch a fish and say, okay, well, I'm cooking that for the meal, but that's not a very, diverse meal. I really want you to try to add something extra to it. Either plant something and learn how long it takes for you to grow it before you can harvest it and call it a meal, or go out and forage and learn about some wild edibles in your area. I can almost guarantee you in your yard you have edible greens probably right now. So there you go, guys. Prepper Challenge number 3. If you guys will comment down below how it is, what process you did to complete this challenge, I will mention them in a later video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun and enjoy the challenge.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.